it's Marissa
and Shanna,
and today's video is going to be
a productivity vlog. So I feel like lately here in LA, because of all the rain we've been having, I've been feeling very unproductive lately.
so gloomy.
Yeah, in LA we almost never get rain, but this year in particular, 2023, it's been just like raining nonstop.
So rainy.
Yeah, and like when it's rainy, I just want to like curl up inside and like just watch TV and just eat food, and I just don't want to do anything or go anywhere.
I like to go for walks outside. That's something I take a lot of pleasure in, but then sometimes when it's like rainy or like really cold outside or windy or like the weather's getting crazy, like it kind of puts a damper in that plan. So we've been looking for something to help us focus and be productive again. I feel like we are both big soda drinkers. Like we love our soda, and I'm also a coffee drinker, so like we love our caffeine. But the problem with caffeine is like it'll give me energy for an hour and then I'm like want to crash again and take a nap, and I'm like, ugh, and then I need another can or something like that. So we've just been looking for like better alternatives to getting energy.
So we've both been taking Magic Mind for about the past week, and Magic Mind is this little 2-ounce drink that's a shot you take, and what it does is it makes you focus and stop procrastinating.
So I've personally noticed probably around like 15 minutes after I take this shot that I'm so much more focused and energized, and I can really pay attention to what I'm doing, especially when we're doing something like taking our beekeeping class. Like I can just focus on what I'm doing. I'm not squashing any bees. You know, it's such a like meticulous hobby to have.
Oh yeah, and we're newbies, so we really have to pay attention when we're inspecting our hive.
Oh yeah, even when you're like closing the lid or whatever you're doing, like you want to make sure you're not crushing the little guys. So this just really helps me focus, really helps me like figure out what I'm doing.
I also like it before I respond to emails, because I feel like emails can be very tedious, and if I'm not careful it'll just drag on the whole day, so I just like to focus and get it done.
So the reason why Magic Mind works is because of what it has in it, and it actually has nootropics in it, which are little molecules that improve cognitive function, and they're often found in supplements. And it has L-theanine in it, which is found in matcha, and it helps increase your energy and attention. So unlike caffeine, where you know you're gonna crash after a few hours, the L-theanine in matcha is gonna give you sustainable energy for a longer period of time. And I'm not even like a matcha fan, but this tastes really good. Like I cannot taste matcha in this. So that's part of the reason why I love this little thing.
There's a 60-day money-back guarantee on it, so if you don't like it, you can always just return it, no questions asked.
So we will link Magic Mind down below for you guys, and you guys can use the code MarissaR20 to get 56% off of some shots for the next 10 days. So definitely check it out if you're looking for some productivity in your life.
Okay, so now that we took our Magic Mind and we're feeling productive, we are gonna take you guys with us to our beekeeping class. So a lot of you guys might know from Instagram, but we actually started taking a beekeeping class, just thinking about starting our own backyard hive.
So I feel like everybody else, I feel like I used to be scared of bees, especially lots of swarmy thousands of bees, but I don't know, there's something very calming about it. I feel like partially having that classroom environment and learning about bees and how they don't really want to sting you, and only certain breeds of bees from certain regions in the countries will actually like want to sting you. I feel like it kind of takes the scariness out of bees, and I don't know, it's just I've learned so much, and I feel very calm actually. Like, you know, we're all protected, we've got our bee suits on, it's all good in the hood, and you know, we've got these, it's just incredible. Like that hum, it's like a bzzz, like all around you.
It's actually so much more technical than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
There's just so much to learn about, like, oh, when does it become a pupa? Like, there's
oh my gosh, the larva and the pupa and the queen. And
oh gosh, and you can't let the bees make their own queen, because then they'll make an Africanized queen, and then it'll be more defensive, and the hive will become aggressive. Like, there's so much that goes
there's
into
so many
beekeeping.
There's so many bee mechanics that you wouldn't think of, and like all the like little tidbits. So here we are at our beekeeping class. As you can see, there are buzzy bees absolutely everywhere, and we have to be really careful, and we're just taking the frames out to check them. And you want to check them for a lot of different things. You have to check them for eggs and honey, and make sure the queen is still there and she's laying eggs, and there's so many different things you have to do when checking a hive. And one thing that's actually super important is to make sure that no ants get into the hives. And that's why they're on these stands, to prevent the ants from coming in, and you actually have to grease the stands. So you definitely don't want any ants coming in and stealing all of your honey, all of your hard work and the bees' hard work. And you can also see we have a smoker, and this is to calm the bees down, and it actually blocks their alarm pheromones, so they're just calm and chill when you check the hives. Next, we also actually ended up going to the Aquarium of the Pacific to watch Finding Nemo. It's the 20th anniversary of Finding Nemo, so we got to go see the movie again, which was cool. And then we got to do something really cool, which was go to the aquarium and see all of the fish after hours. And that was really, really fun because I haven't been to an aquarium in so long, and there were all different types of fish. There was little sharks, and there were also a bunch of jellyfishes. We saw some octopuses. We saw seahorses. We saw even the little fishies that looked like Dory and Nemo. But it was really fun, and I felt still very productive from my Magic Mind shot. And comment below if you guys have seen Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. I feel like everybody has seen Finding Nemo, but some people I've met have not seen Finding Dory. So I'm interested to hear which one is your guys' favorite. I think I like Finding Nemo the best just because it's the most classic. Oh, and here's Shanna with a big stingray. And fun fact, Shanna was actually stung by a stingray once, a long time ago. And here we are. We got to also touch some sea urchins and starfish, and those were really cool. So that was our productivity vlog. We hope you guys liked it, and we appreciate you guys coming and being productive with us. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Mwah.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.